Sitting outdoors has gotten a whole lot more enjoyable with this chair. So this chair is not like your typical outdoor chair that you may have come across. So I have been through my fair share of outdoor chairs in the past, a lot of them just made out of a thin plastic that over time would dry rot, crack, and you would just end up throwing them away. With this chair though, it's different because it is made out of a thick, high density polyethylene, which is basically weather resistant. So you can keep this chair outdoors year round without worrying about it falling apart on you. And in this video, I want to go through some of the other cool features about this chair. But before I do, I would like to thank the company for gifting me this chair in exchange for my honest review. So yes, with this chair, because it's made out of the HDPE material, this is weatherproof. So you can keep this thing outside year round and you don't have to worry about the sun fading it. You don't have to worry about it cracking, peeling, chipping, or just breaking over time because of its construction. It can actually support 380 pounds. So also can get very comfortable in this. I'm 5'6" and I have plenty of room in this chair. It is very comfortable, has a nice high back. So if you had a pillow, you could put it behind your head and get very comfortable. What I love about this material too, though, it is that it is designed to look like wood without having to deal with the splinters of actual real wood. With the construction of this chair, they have nice smooth edges throughout, so you don't have to worry about any sharp edges getting you. And then also with this chair, you do have a little cup holder here that swings in and out, so you can easily put a cup or a glass, a can of Coke, whatever you want in this little cup holder here. With me, I had a 22-ounce water bottle that fit in this cup holder just fine. But other than that, this chair is foldable. So say if you did want to store it away for the season, you can fold it down in half, and it weighs about 34 pounds, so very easy and manageable to carry away. And yes, I really do love this chair. As far as the assembly goes, it took me about 30 to 40 minutes on my own putting this chair together. The instructions, they're very clear. And it also comes with everything you need to put this thing together. So everything from the stainless steel nuts and bolts to the actual tools that you needed to assemble this chair. I do think if you had an extra set of hands, it would make the assembly process go a lot faster. But again, for me, 30 to 40 minutes really wasn't bad. I really do love this chair. I'm excited about all the outdoor time I'm about to spend in this thing. And if you're looking for a good outdoor chair, you got to check this one out. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching.